Welcome to part 2 of our 3-part series on how to press rosin for beginners. We're going to be covering flour, Kief, and bubble hash in this series, but today we're talking Kief and we're using our 3x5 V2 rosin press with standard hand pump. First thing you're going to need to do is source some Kief. You can find this in the bottom of your grinder or in a trim bin. You're also going to need a stainless steel funnel and some 25 micron bags. You can go ahead and dump all of that Kief into your bags. You can trim the excess so that it folds pretty cleanly around the edge there. We're going to double bag this one today. It's not always necessary, especially with lower quality Kief. We're putting this in two 25 micron bags and cutting it off so there's about an inch of excess and then folding it over to keep all of our biomass contained. Next, you need to fold some parchment. Again, we've got tutorials on how to do this farther back on our page if you scroll a bit. And then you need to set your press to around 190 degrees Fahrenheit. We see people going from 180 to 200. We're at 190 today. Now it's time to start introducing some pressure. We're going to start pumping the hand pump here and bringing up our PSI to around 3 to 900 platen PSI. If you have questions on how to calculate platen PSI, check out this chart that we put here. You can pause the video and take a look. Once you start getting that pressure going, you should see the rosin start to flow pretty quickly. This is some lower quality rosin that we're seeing right here because it came out of a grinder with pretty oxidized Kief inside of it, but it is ready to dab right off the press just like every other kind of rosin.